Today in the Joy of Cooking, I'll be showing you all how to make 5 easy different sandwich recipes. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. Let's start and learn how to make easy, extremely different and tasty sandwich recipes. Mexican potato sandwich.
It's a really simple and delicious recipe. So let's start. For that we require peeled chopped potatoes, finely chopped, bread slices, butter, onion powder, Mexican spice mix, boiled sweet corn or American corn, crushed garlic, salt and oil. So first I'll heat a frying pan, then add oil to it. Add the potatoes peeled and chopped. Mix well. Then add salt to it so that they cook a little fast and evenly. Mix it well and cover it with the lid. Check after about 5 minutes. Once they are cooked, we'll add butter to it. Mix well on high flame and then add garlic, crushed garlic, onion powder readily available in the market, Mexican spice mix or Mexican masala. Mix it well and add the boiled sweet corn or American corn. Mix well again and switch off the flame. It's ready. Now let it cool down at the room temperature. Once it has cooled at room temperature, I will take the bread slice and apply butter to it. Apply the butter evenly and then top it with the stuffing. Then close the bread, make the sandwich and heat a tawa. On the tawa I will put some oil and we are going to grill the bread sandwiches. So apply some more oil and roast them till they become nice golden brown in color. And this is how our Mexican potato sandwich is ready.
Jain barbecue sandwich.
So for that we require brown sugar, tomato sauce, red chili sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper powder, salt, fresh paneer, red, green and yellow capsicum, water, mayonnaise, butter and bread slices. So first, to make the barbecue sauce, I'll heat a pan and add brown sugar to it. Let the sugar caramelize. So just swirl the pan and add some water. Again swirl the pan and then add the soy sauce once the sugar melts. Mix it well and then add the butter. Let the butter melt completely. So combine everything well on high flame. Add water and mix again. Then add the tomato sauce and red chili sauce. Mix well on high flame. Let it come to a boil and then add the vinegar. Now add the salt and black pepper powder. Stir it and let it become thick in consistency. So this is the consistency that we require, and now the sauce is at the room temperature. It can be stored in an airtight container for about 5 months. So now in a bowl, I'll take paneer, the capsicums, then I will add the barbecue sauce to it. Make sure don't add too much. Then again mix it well, let all the paneer and capsicum get coated. The skewers that I'm using right now have been soaked in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will add put the vegetables onto it. Arrange them properly like this. So first the green capsicum, paneer, red capsicum, again paneer and then the yellow one. So this is how we get the 3 skewers done. Now I have heated a pan. Then I will add oil to it just for barbecuing the paneer. I am doing it on a tawa. We'll get the same flavor as in the barbecue machine or the grill. Wow, so this is how it looks. Keep turning it nicely. Tap it a little. Yes. So the sugar will again caramelize here and give nice flavor to the paneer and the capsicums. So our barbecued vegetables and paneer is almost done now. So I'll remove it and let it come at a room temperature. So I'll just add barbecue sauce to the mayonnaise. I've also added oregano to it. Then I will spread it on the bread slice and put the vegetables on the bread. All the bread slices have been applied with mayonnaise and the barbecue sauce. Assemble everything nicely and cover the bread. Now on another pan I will add some oil and fry the bread slices. Now you may use the grillers, but pan is also a good option. Tap the bread nicely so that all the bread becomes nice golden brown and crispy from the outside. Yeah, so this is how our tempting delicious Jain barbecue sandwich is ready.
Cheese chutney sandwich.
So for that we require crustless bread, or you may just cut the crust, and I have just cut them into round circles like this. Then we also require green chutney, cucumber, potato, boiled, tomato, cheese, processed cheese, butter, salt and chaat masala. So for the green chutney, we require grated coconut, fresh coconut, then pudina, mint leaves and coriander leaves, grated ginger, lemon juice, cumin seeds, green chili and salt. So in the mixer jar, I'll first take the coconut, then the coriander leaves with stems or the stalks, then mint leaves, grated ginger, then green chilies, cumin seeds, salt, lemon juice and very little water. Blend it nicely. This is how it looks, fresh green. Now just apply butter on bread slices and then apply green chutney on the other one. Then top it with the tomatoes, cucumber and potato. And now I'll sprinkle some salt and chaat masala. Grate the processed cheese and then cover it. So just top it with some tomato ketchup and our chutney sandwich is ready.
Corn sandwich.
For that we require bread slices, boiled crushed sweet corn, chopped onions, mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, tomato, capsicum and oil. Now the capsicum, tomato and onions are optional. So first in the sweet corn I will add the onions, tomatoes and capsicum. Then add some salt and black pepper powder. Mix it well. And on the bread slice I will apply some mayonnaise. I am using garlic mayonnaise. Apply it evenly on both the slices. Then put the sweet corn stuffing and then grill it on a hot pan. Add some oil and grill it till it becomes nice golden brown in color from both the sides. And this is how our corn sandwich is ready.
Bombay sandwich.
So for that we require a lot of ingredients, starting off with the bread slices, mint leaves, coriander leaves, tomatoes, potatoes, cucumber, shave, butter, cumin seeds, salt, chana dal roasted, ginger, garlic, green chilies and bundi, masala bundi, then roasted cumin powder, lemon juice, black salt and chaat masala. So first we'll start by making the chutney. In a mixer jar I'll take the masala bundi, readily available in the market, and the roasted chana dal. I'll add some water and keep it aside for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'll add the green chilies to it and garlic. Then I'll add the ginger, black salt as per taste, lemon juice so that the color remains green, cumin seeds, salt, the mint leaves, I've just washed them, coriander leaves, and we'll just make a nice chutney out of it by blending it. So this is how the green chutney looks. So now it's just a question of assembling everything. Start by applying butter on the bread slices. So I'm using 4 bread slices right now. I'll add butter, apply butter onto it, and then start applying the green chutney. So the color is nice green because of the lemon juice. So apply it nicely on all the sides. Then start putting the potatoes as per your choice. Then I'll sprinkle some roasted cumin powder onto it for flavor. Then I'll put the tomatoes and sprinkle chaat masala onto it. Now goes the cucumber with roasted cumin powder and chaat masala. Now I'll put the other bread slice onto it and seal the sandwich. Now I'll cut it into squares and top it with some green chutney. Now I'll sprinkle some shave onto it. Lots and lots of shave and some roasted cumin powder. So this is how our Bombay sandwich is ready.
And this is how our 5 different sandwiches are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.